everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we just want to look at how I simply do my mini twist. It's not micro, it's mini. So when mini is like close to the biggest but not actually the biggest when it comes to kinky twist, yes, you can't actually do kinky twist too big. It has to be either big, mini or micro. So this is the mini, and here I just use the two strands, not the regular 3 strands. Then I go ahead to grip. This is the natural hair. I did not use any gel on this hair. I only used hair cream. That's all. I didn't use any gel because my clients react to gels. So using the 2 strands instead of 3. And here actually it wasn't as if I didn't later section it into 3. I did, if you watch it very well. So it's just about you grabbing with using the 2 strands to grab the hair as the third one. Once you grab the hair as the third one, then you can actually section some part of the attachment to the third hair you use, especially after the braid section before you twist. And if it's all braid, you can also do it that way. You know, that's the exact way knotless braid is being done. Okay, but this time around we are not doing knotless braid. You know, for knotless braid you actually start with the hair, then you add the extension using 2, yes, 2 not 3, then the braid is the third, will stand as the third one, then before everything now rhymes. That's basically how to handle the extension when you're using the 2-way. And here let's go into the styling. For the styling, I sectioned the hair into 2 equal parts, then I matted the first and the second one, after which I held with the black rubber band just so it would be there for a long time till she's tired of and pulls it down. You can actually tie it with the hair too, but if you want it to stay longer, it's good to hold it with the rubber band. Then I started crossing the hair to each side, and I used the pin to hold it down. Just watch the way I did it. That's for this particular style. There are other styles you can actually do. This style can stay for as long as you want. Depends on how good you are at sleeping, if you don't scatter your hair too much. Because for this style you really need to like sleep well so it won't scatter. Yes, so it won't scatter. But the truth is, even if it scatters, you can actually it will just be that pin side, because for the matted one it won't lose because I've already used the rubber band. So it will be the pin side, and the pin side you can actually still do it yourself. So that's basically it. Then I wrapped round. Just watch. At this point, if you're yet to click on the subscribe button, don't forget to do so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Making hair just right. In the hands of Deborah, magic comes alive. Every twist, every braid brings beauty to light. From deep to micro, her passion shines so bright. In every spread she touches, there's love in every sight. Months like much where beauty's reborn. Every girl, every style, from dusk till dawn. With a heart full of passion, she brings dreams to light. Deborah's touch, making hair just right. In the hands of Deborah, magic comes alive. Every twist, every braid brings beauty to light. From deep to micro, her passion shines so bright. In every spread she touches, there's love in every sight. Months like much where beauty's reborn. Every girl, every style, from dusk till dawn. With a heart full of passion, she brings dreams to light. Deborah's touch, making hair just right. In the hands of Deborah, magic comes alive. every ray brings beauty to light. From deep to micro, her passion shines so bright. In every spread she touches, there's love in every